Hello again, traders. Right, slight difference to today's video. I'm going to talk about, well, in this instance we're looking at Collective2, but the various opportunities or options to trade if you don't have much capital. It's been something I've been meaning to do for ages, but I was with friends and family yesterday and talking quite in depth, because obviously the minute you start to talk about you know, your lifestyle and stuff, people want to know about what it's all about, and trading is probably one of the most boring dinner party discussions you could ever have in your life, but it does pique people's interest. So anyway, because I was talking about how horrendous the amounts of money you can lose and your life you can put on hold, I never recommend people take up trading, but if they have to do it, then try and find the best ways for them to do it, which obviously I talk about all the time on here and on my Twitter feed. And I want to sort of talk about how to get into this with a limited amount of capital, as it were. So instead of using your own money, best option is to find someone else's to use. Well, I have looked into various pretend prop firms, FTMO and who else is a Top Step, and you've got Zulu Trade, a social trading platform. We won't go down that route. And you've also got these people here, Collective2. Now, Zulu Trade and Collective2 were both platforms I looked into well over a decade ago, probably about 13-14 years ago now. Played with them, had great results with Zulu Trade. Actually received checks from Zulu Trade. So I do believe that these people do cut checks and stuff. I don't think they could have lived or existed so long on the internet without actually doing what they say they do. It's just that you know, they have mixed reputation. It's much the same as brokers, actually. Everyone will tell you a really bad story about brokers, yet if you just go ahead and use them, you know, real traders very rarely have much to say bad about brokers. You know, they couldn't still be there after 5, 10, 15 years if they kept ripping people off. So that's just one point that not often gets talked about. So back to this. Why am I so impressed with it after having only set up a demo account or a pretend 14-day, whatever you want to call it, free test account, is because of this: stocks. Only last night I was saying how stocks, to my friend and my brother-in-law, is stock trading online now is what you want to get into. I love it, absolutely love it, as you know. And lo and behold, open this platform up and you've got access to trading stocks with without any capital. So you know, I can't guarantee that is the real possibility. I haven't even tried trading. I will try later on today when the stock market opens, using the platform. But by that I mean using the actual platform. Perhaps I should have tested it before making a video, but again, you know, why have so many people that are into all this stuff and not actually ask their advice? So that's what I'm doing also. Brought it to your attention. If you already know about these things, FTMO, Top Step, any other ones out there, I did notice there was one called Gauntlet out there as well. Good or bad about all of them. There are no doubt loads of social trading platforms out there as well. eToro is one off the top of my head. But this is brilliant for stocks. Virtually anything you poke into here. I don't think I've had one off of my TradingView watch list not be on here. No, so you've got all. I know for a fact you've got most of the posh ones. Look, you know, I've loaded a few up here. Apple, that you can see. This one here, gaming something or other. When it's a bit slow though. Golden Nugget, whatnot. Another weird one here. I've only just noticed they load them up here after I've loaded them. I've been doing this. This is sort of take 3 of this video. So, and 4. PRTY like there. Let's find one. RYNC. So we'll look at that one. Trading View. Oh, RVNC. RVNC. See what that does. yeah, so everything seems to be on there. So all I need to do now is test the logic and the usability of this platform. So just thought I'd bring that to your attention. Obviously you've got all the usual stuff on there as well: futures, forex, and options, although I've never really looked into options trading. I did actually watch a brilliant video on options trading a short while ago. I was going to put it on my Twitter feed, then forgot to do so, but perhaps I ought to do that as well now. So this platform, if it works and if you can do what you need to do and earn money on it, I think it's fantastic. So that's the point of this video, just to bring your attention to it and see what sort of feedback I get. So thanks for watching. Have a great Monday. What a day for trading it's been today as well. Fantastic.